Are you looking to optimize your lead generation efforts and maximize your online profits? In this video, we'll show you how to effectively measure and analyze your lead generation efforts to ensure success in your online business. The first step in measuring your lead generation efforts is to track and monitor key metrics such as conversion rates, click-through rates, and cost per lead. By keeping a close eye on these metrics, you can identify areas for improvement and optimize your lead generation strategies accordingly. Once you have collected and analyzed your lead generation data, it's important to identify patterns and trends that can help you make informed decisions about your marketing campaigns. Look for insights such as which channels are driving the most leads, which offers are resonating with your target audience, and where you can allocate your resources for maximum impact. Creating regular reports on your lead generation performance is key to staying on track and achieving your goals. These reports can help you track your progress over time, measure the effectiveness of your campaigns, and make data-driven decisions to improve your results. Remember, lead generation is an ongoing process that requires constant monitoring and optimization. By continuously measuring and analyzing your efforts, you can identify what's working, what's not, and make the necessary adjustments to ensure success in your online business. So there you have it. By measuring and analyzing your lead generation efforts, you can take your online business to the next level and maximize your profits. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and strategies on how to make money online. Happy generating!